Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi Note 12 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if your device is stuck for some unknown reason, all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume up button. So just hold them together. And once you feel the vibration, you can release the buttons and wait a couple of seconds. Now tap on power button to reboot and tap on power button again to confirm that you wish to reboot your device. And within a couple of seconds, like more or less 30, you will be able to use your device in a normal way. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see now, you can unlock your phone and use it however you like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.